And people talk about HIPAA. The one thing I'm going to tell you right now is virtually every time somebody has referenced HIPAA and how it protects us, and you can't do that because you're violating HIPAA, virtually every time, it's not been relevant. HIPAA deals primarily with the inability of our medical providers to be the ones sharing information with others. HIPAA does not prevent you from sharing your own information with your employer. So general privacy concerns and some, at times from one state to another might have some statutes on the books that talk about you can't ask for certain information in certain contexts. You cannot ask someone's age. In certain contexts, you cannot ask really a variety of personal information about somebody, such as, when you're trying to hire them. But really what we're talking about, I just want you guys to know, don't reference HIPAA unless it's a medical provider who is the one directly conveying your personal health information to someone else. Again, for those that work in the medical industry, things get a little bit more wonky. So I'm not going to go into the specifics at this time about that.